Introducing the Genesys IDU-13850 Electronic Flight Instrument System. Redefining performance and safety in all phases of flight for rotary wing and fixed-wing aircraft. Featuring a larger display and enhanced mission computing capabilities, the rugged IDU-13850 EFIS is built to exceed expectations in even the most demanding conditions. Designed to meet stringent performance requirements for both military and civil, rotary wing, and fixed-wing aircraft. Its advanced touchscreen technology offers intuitive control, streamlining workflows, and improving situational awareness for pilots. With an open architecture, the IDU-13850 allows seamless special mission customization of engine indications, and crew alerting. Comprehensive compatibility with navigation, communication, and autopilot systems ensures a simplified instrument scan and reduced workload in critical moments. The suite's versatility makes it an ideal fit for virtually any panel, aircraft type, or mission configuration. Discover how the IDU-13850 EFIS can elevate your mission. Contact Moog today.